Okay, so here's our first version of the HEAVYPOLY config in Blender 2.8. This is a brand new thing. I just finished porting over all the scripts and stuff this week. So let me know if there's any problems, but I'm going to run through some of the differences between this version and the last one, the 2.79 version. So yeah, this is for you guys who are already comfortable with the HEAVYPOLY config, so I'm just going to brush over the main differences here. So first of all, we have a couple switches for the pies. So the views pie is now on V, so this views pie is on V, and control shift space, which used to be the views pie, is now for pivots. So we can change to pivots, and I'm calling this pivots now instead of transforms because I feel like that makes more sense. So we can change the pivot modes here. And then we also have a new shading pie, because that's actually one of the big changes, is that we now have the Eevee render engine in 2.8. So if I go over to rendered, you can see Eevee. I mean, this is not very interesting, but if I turn this off, turn this on, and this, oh, there we go. So now we can see what Eevee looks like. So these are collections over here on the top right, these gray icons, and this sort of replaces layers from 2.79. But anyway, yeah, this is real time. This is pretty crazy that we can do this now. So we can model and build stuff. So for example, another change here is shift space for extrude. So this is just a usability change. I think it's a little bit faster. And on that note, we can do Alt space to inset. So shift space, Alt space, Alt space, shift space. I feel like this is faster than jumping around the keyboard to hit I and E. But you can still do that if you want to. E is extrude and I is inset. And then there's also a bridge smooth. So this is just a neat little preset here, where if, let's say we have two shapes. I should turn down that bloom a little bit. Control Shift B will give me a bridge smooth. Z shade smooth works the same as before. Z shade smooth. I think that's it. That should at least get you guys started, and everything else should be pretty similar, or hopefully you can figure it out if you run into any small things. But please let me know if you find any bugs. And this is again the first version of this port over to 2.8, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be pretty much focusing on 2.8 from here on out, so no more updates to 2.79 scripts. So yeah, that's it. I think we're fully in the future now, and let me know if you have any comments or suggestions or questions. Bye.